Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is a play on trilobite. It's called Crisscross Trilobite. We're using a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands 14 inches long, 35.56 centimeters, meld together to form a loop and put together for your core. We're using red and blue paracord, 48 inches long, 121.92 centimeters. The X is white. It is also 48 inches and 121.92 centimeters. We're using fids to make it easier to weave it, plus so you can see what I'm doing. You're going to need a lighter or some kind of fire, a pair of scissors, and a presser. Anyway, let us get started. Alright, here we go. We're going to take the blue and through the cow hitches all the way across. Now we take the white and we go through this way so it fits the other side. And we center it. And we get everything else all set up and ready. We start out over 1, under 2, over 1, over strand 1, under strand 2 and 3, and over strand 4. Now from the right side, it goes under 1, under number 4, over 2 and 3, angled down under 1 on the left side. Up. Okay. Again, from the left side, over 1, under 2 and 3, over 4. From the right side, take the red, under 4, over 2 and 3, angled down, and under 1. Now, right side, across, in between, down in between 1 and 2, left side, cross over, and down between 3 and 4, and push back toward the front. Now, left side, over 1, under 2, 3, over 4. Then blue from the right side, under number 4, over 2 and 3, angled down across, under 1. And now, take the right side up through between 3 and 4. Left side up between 1 and 2. Push it up all the way. Cinch everything up, tighten. From the left side, the blue, over 1, under 2 and 3, over 4. From the right side, take the red, under 4, over 2 and 3 to an angle, down under 1. Okay, now from the left side, over 1, under 2 and 3, over 4. From the right side, under 4, over 2 and 3, down, under 1. Pull, tighten up. You pull, tighten up the white strand some.